Namaste. In this video, we'll be seeing the uses of the verb samajhnaa. Samajhnaa. So, if you're new here and if you're watching my video for the first time, let me introduce myself. I'm Hemamalini from HindiOnlineClass.com. I present videos relating to Hindi grammar and Hindi learning in general. So, if you're a Hindi learner and if you're watching my channel for the first time, you're in the right place. So let's begin the video. So the first and most common use of samajhnaa is in the meaning to understand. If I want to say, I understand what you're saying, or did you understand if I want to ask someone, or I did understand if I want to say someone. So all these sentences need the verb samajhnaa to understand. So let's see some examples with the use of this verb. So the first example is, let's use some basic or simple sentences in the beginning. I understand the matter. मैं बात समझती हूँ. I will understand the matter. मैं बात समझूंगी. I did understand or I understood. Then मैं बात समझी. Let's see some other examples with different pronouns. They understood. वे समझे. They will understand. वे समझेंगे. If I want to ask someone, did you understand? क्या तुम समझे? And in answer, I say, yes, I understood. हाँ, मैं समझी. If I want to say, they will never understand. वे कभी नहीं समझेंगे. वे कभी नहीं समझेंगे. So samajhnaa is a very important verb in a colloquial conversation, in a very natural conversation. So now let's move on to the next meaning of samajhnaa, which is to consider. So samajhnaa can also be used in the meaning of to consider someone or to consider something. So let's see some examples in this meaning. She considers me as her sister. She considers me as her sister. वो मुझे अपनी बहन समझती है. वो मुझे अपनी बहन समझती है. So, though I'm not her blood sister, she considers me as her own sister. She's so very kind and caring to me. Let's see another example. I don't consider Ravi's behavior as correct. Or I don't consider Ravi's such a behavior as correct. रवि का ऐसा व्यवहार मैं सही नहीं समझती. रवि का ऐसा व्यवहार मैं सही नहीं समझती. ऐसा व्यवहार means such a behavior. सही नहीं समझती, don't consider it correct. सही means correct. So I hope with this short video, you'd have understood the two different meanings of samajhnaa. And in future, you would be able to use the verb in a more fluent way. So thanks for watching the video. Until next time, Namaste.